Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam front and rear. I've looked through the internet, compared its features with competing dashcams, and by the end of this video, I'll let you know whether this one is worth your money. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The ROVE R2-4K Dual is designed to capture everything happening in front of and behind your vehicle. The front camera records in stunning 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera records in Full HD, giving you sharp footage that's detailed enough to capture license plates, road signs, and important evidence if an accident occurs. One of the biggest highlights is Sony's STARVIS 2 image sensor, which dramatically improves low-light performance compared to older sensors. Night driving is where many dash cams struggle, but this one produces brighter footage with less noise and much better clarity. Another impressive feature is the built-in 5G Wi-Fi, allowing download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second through the ROVE smartphone app. Instead of waiting several minutes to transfer large video files, you can quickly view, save, and share recordings directly from your phone. The built-in GPS records your driving speed and route, making your footage even more useful if you ever need to provide evidence for insurance claims or legal situations. The included 128 gigabytes micro SD card is another welcome bonus, since many competing dash cams require you to purchase storage separately. Loop recording automatically overwrites the oldest unlocked footage when the card becomes full, while the G sensor detects sudden impacts and locks important clips so they aren't erased. If you install the optional hardwire kit, the 24-hour parking mode continuously protects your vehicle by monitoring motion and impacts even when you're away, making it an excellent choice for daily commuters or anyone who parks outside overnight. The 3-inch IPS display makes setup simple, and the user interface is straightforward enough for first-time dashcam users. Installation is also fairly easy thanks to the compact design, and the wide viewing angles provide excellent road coverage without creating excessive distortion. The camera performs reliably in both bright daylight and challenging nighttime conditions, making it suitable for almost any driving environment. Of course, no product is perfect. To use parking mode, you'll need to purchase the hardwire kit separately, which adds to the overall cost. Recording in 4K also generates large video files, so while the included 128 gigabytes card is generous, frequent drivers may eventually want a higher capacity memory card if supported. The mobile app is generally responsive, though occasional firmware updates may be needed to improve compatibility and performance over time. After comparing the ROVE R2-4K Dual with other popular dashcams in its price range, I think it offers an excellent balance of video quality, features, and value. The combination of true 4K front recording, STARVIS 2 sensor, fast 5G Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, dual camera protection, and included memory card makes it stand out against many competitors that charge extra for these features. So should you buy it? If you're looking for a dependable front and rear dashcam with outstanding image quality, excellent night performance, modern connectivity, and reliable safety features, I definitely think the ROVE R2-4K Dual is worth buying. It delivers premium features at a competitive price and provides the kind of protection every driver can appreciate. Click the link below for the best price. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching.